Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. It's Wednesday, February 2nd. Let's go over Bitcoin. I want to spend today's video really methodically going over Bitcoin and picking apart different areas of what's happening with money behind the scenes. We've seen short trades actually decrease right now while the price is going up on Bitfinex. I'll show that to you guys underneath the metrics here that we're going to be going over for Bitcoin. That's actually really a strange sign, actually, because short trades usually increase as the price goes up. Are short trades actually getting out of the way because they see that we may be pumping up here very fast in Bitcoin? We're going to have to figure that out. So we're going to be diving into that today. Okay, guys, let's start here very quickly. If you guys do not know who we are, we're basically a YouTube channel. We trade crypto on every single one of these videos. And guys, we're sitting at 102 for 102 wins on this channel. We've never lost a crypto trade. And in the second half of this video, I want to spend technical analysis in the first half, but the second half, I'll show you guys how to get into our membership so you guys can take all the trades with us. Literally just copy the trades I'm taking, as well as get you guys into some masterclass teachings that I'm going to be coming out with, and then showing you guys the indicator sell that we've got going on. But let's get into the technical analysis here. Okay, first thing I am looking at right now when I get up in the morning for Bitcoin is I'm paying attention to these three indicators right here. Right now, what I'm seeing is that the trend dashboard up here is an accumulation of six of the three standards and then three moving averages. So a total of 6 indicators that a lot of retail traders use to trade this market. When I look at this and I think of the retail traders behind these charts, what I can sense this morning and from seeing this is a lot of them are saying, okay, we're very bearish. This move right down, this little red candle wick down here, has turned all the stochastic, RSI, and MACD bearish, as well as we are still sitting below the 50, 100, and 200 moving average. This tells me that a lot of retail traders are probably looking for a drop in the market this morning, and I don't think they're wrong over the next 48 to 72 hours. I'll show you more of this. The next thing I do is I look down here. I say, okay, what is happening with the price versus well money flow? When the well money flow is high, this is where long trades are getting exhausted, and long trades are either being sold or short trades are being taken over here for the current exchange that we're looking at. Okay, that's how it adapts to each of the exchanges based off the indicators when you load them. Okay, so with a price versus well money flow being very high right now, I am looking and expecting to see this move back down. When we do see the well money flow high in the past here, this is what's actually creating the lows, the highs, and the higher highs, okay? Before we see drops. They're predicting the drops before they happen. When the well money flow is very low down here, this is where we're actually seeing that the wells, when they're purchasing, when they sell, they're selling, price is going down. They actually switch from selling to acquiring long trades when the market is very low because it's a demand of a lower price. Do you guys get that? That is why when this indicator gets down here, we actually start seeing market reversals back up. And this is how we use these two indicators here to predict market moves. Now, looking at the trend exhaustion here, when the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section, this tells us that price structure is overextended, looking for a move back down. Okay, we can see even over here, although it wasn't a huge drop, we were able to predict the drop in Bitcoin with the trend exhaustion. The previous time we saw this, we were able to predict the drop over here at this high, and then we saw this move back down. Not only that, we were able to see over here when we're in this consolidation period, we saw the trend exhaustion very high, saying that the trend was overextended. We also saw the well money flow high here as well, and then we peaked up one more time we tried to push up here, and that's when we saw the crash back down. We could not head up any higher. And then right at the bottom, like I showed you guys already, this is where the wells ended up, finishing their selling, and then they ended up purchasing the lower price, okay? Those of you guys who have these two indicators, you're able to now predict what's happening with the flow of money because this is what's calling drops. Real quick, one more thing I want to show you guys here. Trend exhaustion very high up here. Well money flow extremely high. When these two sync up right here and they are both very in their high sections, in the top sections is a better way to say that, I'm watching for this. The trend is overextended. We're looking for the trend to be reversed because it's exhausted from going up. We're also watching for the well money flow to switch from purchases to selling the purchases. Why? Because they've already made enough money on the pump up here. So this is a precursor when you guys see this of two indicators syncing up that you're going to look for drops back down in the market. Okay? Either be very soon, or it actually can sometimes lead to entire bear market cycles. All right, that's why we use these indicators and they're working very well. These three are in the description, and they are 82% off today, so you guys can snag those, okay? I want to go over and talk about the metrics today for Bitcoin. This is where it gets a little strange, and I want to try to make some sense of this today. Bitcoin metrics, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is all going to update, so you guys have like 15 minutes, so make sure you're watching these metrics here when they update today. The emotional index is pushed up into the excited area. Okay. Since we're pushed up into the excited area here, actually, I want to do something with you guys. I want to do this. I want to actually partner these side by side. I think it's going to be really fun for us to see this. I want to do this. Let's come right here, and I want to go like this, and then I want to actually come over here, and I want to go side by side. I think this will actually give us a better view of what I want to look at these together. I think this will help us out here a little bit. Let's go like this, and let's come like this. Okay, so here's what I want to be able to have this in view over here, because I think this is kind of fun for us to look at when it's side by side. Looking at the emotional index today, we're seeing that we're pushed up into the excited area. Okay, excited emotions for retail traders means that a lot of them are looking to buy the pump. That means we're coming from a pump and they're looking to buy. Now, there is a scenario here where we actually start seeing short trades in the market, but they get trapped. And I'll explain that to you guys like I have in the past videos. But right now, the overall emotional index right now for retail traders, they are getting excited because we're seeing them move up here. This, however, is a place where wealth institutions like to short the market. Let me show this to you guys. Let's move down here. Long versus short trades. This is very strange here because normally, when you see price action moving up here, this is when short trades increase on the blockchain for Bitfinex, one of the largest places to short in the US, because the price is due for a drop. And we're also at this very strong descending resistance line as well. So why are short trades not increasing? Could this mean, and could this be telling us that short trades are getting out of the way because there's a trap coming for short trades where this could just start exploding back up here? That is a scenario that can happen here. So here's what can happen. I want you guys to follow this. Because it's such a strong descending resistance line right here, and we've already hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, looking at the 5th time right now, this means it's weaker. The more times a descending support resistance, ascending support resistance is hit, the less it's not as strong. The best way to say that. Okay, here's a situation that can happen here. People come out here this morning, they look to short the market. Trend exhaustion, price swell, money flow, they're calling a drop. Absolutely. There's no two ways of reading this, guys. Our indicators are looking for a drop here. But what can happen is if people short here, and if short trades then have stop losses at structure highs here, and then the price starts to move up here, this is going to be very bullish for a lot of people trading the breakout. People are going to trade breakouts with buy stop orders to trade, the breakout for a market order when it breaks above structure. We also have people going long in the market, and then we could possibly see people who went short going long covering their losses because if this drops here and goes back up, they are then squeezed on their short positions. That will then have all three parties in the market buying. That is how Bitcoin can shoot up here very quickly, and we could be heading to structure high here pretty soon, which is about that $50,000 mark, which I wouldn't doubt if we hit 50,000 by probably next Friday. Is what I'm looking for here. Okay, let's continue to move down here. Trades in favor right now overall in the market. I do believe it's sitting in neutral, but we are closer down here to good long trades. I do absolutely believe, guys, that long trades are better to be had in the market right now. Another reason for this is this descending resistance line is usually a great place for a higher low formation. Let's go to the 1 day real quick and take a look at this. The higher low formation on Bitcoin is this form right here. We see a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, looking to break for the higher high. This could have a massive bull run due for Bitcoin very soon. Okay? All right, let's continue down here, guys. Well, and institutional smart money, probably one of the favorite metrics for a lot of us to be looking at here. This tells us what's happening with smart money and institutions. Right now, they're looking like they're coming out and acquiring the short trades right here. I don't doubt that. It's something that it's obvious. We are at this level right here, guys. Overall, if I had to pick a side here based off the smart money, based off our indicators over here, literally pushing at the top here, there is more of a bearish sign in the market today than there is bullish, looking for this move back down. However, I don't know if this is going to last that long for the downside. So what we need to be watching for is this drop back down here and then a trap of the market moving back up above this structure here, which is going to be right about $40,000. If 40,000 is broken, that's going to trap traders and we could be exploding from $40,000 upwards based off what I explained to you guys. So you want to be watching that. Support and resistance prices here. The next greatest resistance I can see here is about 41,779. Okay, let's just make this 42,000. 42,000 on the chart is sitting right about here for us. Okay, it's around these structures here. This structure right here that you guys are seeing, this right here is this red here. So if we start pumping up here, we will probably see a nice decent move up to about this level here and then a stall, which is going to be right around that $42,000 level. I'll get it out here so you can see this. $43,000 is where I'm expecting that stall, okay? Moving down here, dollar cost average entries. If you guys have, money you want to throw in the market, I would say, guys, if you have $10,000, I would split it into 10 equal portions. So what you can do right now is you can put in, wait for the next green line to come out if we drop back down and then get in. You can place money in the market and hold for 5-10 years. This is for those of you guys who want to hold for the long term, okay? Take a look right now with me at exit points. Exit points are going to happen when Bitcoin starts going up and we get a red bar. This will most likely happen once this descending resistance is broken here and we start seeing this move back up, because that's what I'm looking for, the red bars to come out and actually really start seeing some short pressure come back in the market. I think some people are still feeling like it's going to be pretty a bearish season for us because we are in the death cross still for Bitcoin. So as this starts moving up, we need to watch to see how much momentum's actually behind that move. And we can watch that with some candle structures, and I'll try to cover that more on this channel. Okay, guys? So all of these metrics you guys are seeing over here that are really aiding us in helping us understand what's about to happen in these prices here, guys, this is part of the membership that you guys are able to get. So let me go over this really quick, and I want to show you guys actually how to get into a trade for Bitcoin right now and how to trade our strategy like I showed you in the beginning. So our pricing for all these metrics, guys, you get access to all of them. It's only $49 a month. This is going to be going up in price February 25th to $95 a month. Okay, all of those metrics that you guys saw, you get access to all those for our top 12 coins, not just Bitcoin, but for all these 12 coins here. You guys are also going to be getting access into the inner circle, which is down here at the bottom if you click inner circle. I am going to be coming out with more masterclass trainings for you guys, and you can literally just start coming through here and start taking the masterclasses, and I'll show you guys how to make more money with your money that's already in crypto. We have $150,000 in our account. Our account is doing very, very well, and it's because we use good risk management. And we have really good indicators. I'll go over that in a second. We are also going to be introducing something in March here where I come on Skype with you guys, Zoom with you guys live, actually. And I'm going to be doing Q&A sessions with you guys, teaching you things about the market. And so we're all going to be together as a family going over these markets together. It's going to be so much fun when we get into that. So make sure you guys are signed up and you guys are ready to go before the price goes to $95 a month. All right, guys, I want to talk to you right now about getting into trades. Here's how you guys make the money. And then last but not least, I'll go into the indicator sell that we have going on right now. All of our trade setups are on this front page right here, okay? I'm going to show you guys Bitcoin right now because we're talking about Bitcoin, but if you want to get into any of our other trade setups, you guys can click these down here. So let's go to Bitcoin right now. Okay. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is all going to update, which is basically we're 8 a.m. right now. So this is live, February 2nd. Here's what you guys are going to do to trade all the coins over here. Remember, those 102 wins that we had, that we currently have, we've never lost a trade. This is how we trade, and you guys can trade with us. All right. You're going to choose the amount that you guys want to enter each of our trades with. Let's say this amount is $1,000, okay? Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250. Now, once this $250 is split into 4 portions, you're going to place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So 250 here, 250, 250, and 250, okay? That's all you guys are doing. You're going to set them in your exchange at the exact same time. Now, once your first buy limit is hit, which could probably happen today on Bitcoin, you then want to set up a sell limit in your exchange at the green line. All of this, if you scroll down, is explained and actually shown how to do this on Coinbase Pro on the exchange in this video. So make sure you guys watch that. It will answer literally all of your guys' questions, okay? That's how you get into our trades. Now, how do you get access to the indicators I was showing you guys in the beginning? Here's how you guys are going to do that. Come over here to indicators, and you're just going to scroll down here. Right now, the indicators that I was telling you guys about, if we come back over here, were the trend exhaustion, the price for swell money flow, and the trend dashboard, these 3 over here. Those are these indicators right here, the price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. These are going to give you guys access to all of the analysis I do every day on the videos, okay? Calling the drops in here. These 3 are the ones that you guys want. However, right now we do have a bundle pack sale going on where you guys actually end up getting 82% off all of our indicators. and you actually end up getting all 9 of these indicators for pretty much the same price of the 3 that you guys need anyways. So in the description of this video, as well as in the first comment of this video, I pinned a description there that says here's where you guys can get our indicators as well as the membership. Once you guys have the membership and you guys have the indicators over here, that is where you guys are able to take advantage of everything we have. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for crypto trading. We're very humbled by that, but the amount of data that we're able to acquire over here and use for our analysis is what's causing us to be that successful. And you guys will see here that as this trend exhaustion is up here and the price for swell money flow is up here as well, this is where we're looking for the drop back down. Watch to see the accuracy of this drop back down because it's called the drop many times in a row. So make sure you guys are snagging those. This is a one-time purchase. It is not a monthly purchase at all. And you guys also get the source codes to the indicators as well. So I just want you guys to fully be aware of that. Okay, guys? All right. I love you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. If anything, guys, make sure you're coming over here and you guys are signing up for the membership before it goes up February 25th. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin over here. We could be dropping back down. That's what I would say if I had to make a prediction here based off the metrics as well as the indicators. We are looking for a move back down here, but I want you guys to watch the trap that could happen at about $40,000. And then if that trap of $40,000 actually happens here, we could then start seeing this very fast move back up in the market, targeting $50,000, I believe, by next week. Okay? So we want to be watching that. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Subscribe and like this video if you guys found this valuable and if you guys want more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. All the links are in the description. Snag your membership, guys, before it goes up. Get access to all of our data, and let's have a blast here. All right, God bless you guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.